Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. And I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. Now what I have in mind is an Aurora and or the Northern Lights. So I am covering my canvas with this black that I've made up, and we'll get into that in a bit. So hopefully you can see. Let's see. I'm not sure if you're going to get that, but it has got a beautiful shimmer, and the colors that I've actually used for that is Mars Black, some Cyan Blue, and I've added a blob of, quite a big blob, probably about a tablespoon of the color shift. So it's given it a bit of a shimmery effect, which I hope will actually show up once it's dry. I can't see why not. So I'm just finishing off my edges. So I have pre-painted around the edges just to make sure that I've got good coverage. And let's see, I've got something different in mind of how I'm going to do it. Oh well, we'll just have to see if it works out. So I hope you're all doing well, and you know, I know that things are not great, still not great around the world, probably getting a little bit more worrying for a lot of people, a lot of countries, and I just wish everybody well. I hope you all stay safe. Right, that looks like it'll do the trick. So I'll just set that aside. So I'm not using very many colors. I really just hope that it does work out. So let's see. I'm going to start using the world's smallest blower. If it doesn't work, I will switch over to a piece of cardboard. So let's see. The colours I have is Florescent Yellow, beautiful colour, and I have here, what is it called again? Bright green or something like that. I'll put it in the description box, so have a look there. And I do have white. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that yet, but let's see. So I'm thinking I'm going to start here maybe. My mind is racing, guys, because I'm trying to think of how I'm going to do this. So let's just see. that might work out.